Hey YouTube, and welcome to another episode of This Is in My Garage. Today I decided to do something totally different than everybody else. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and delete the molding on the bumper. Um, Wanted to look more up to date, like all the other cars today. They don't have no actual molding around their bumpers, so why not do it on the Crown Vic? In this episode, I will show you what I use to go ahead and do this project. Stay tuned. You could pick this up at eBay or Amazon. As you can see here, I already did one pass, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a second application. Dark shaded area is where I need to go ahead and apply more panel adhesive. This molding right here, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up as well while I'm at it. You saw me apply the panel adhesive on the top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it at the bottom also. Okay, so after you apply the multi-purpose panel adhesive, usually takes 24 hours for it to cure, but due to the weather, since it's cool, it's not really warm out, it took 72 hours to actually dry. So now, at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down, get it smooth, and see how it looks, and we'll go from there.